Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the top 5 easy ways to make money with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. So pretty easy stuff, pretty straightforward stuff. This is going to be a beginner-oriented video. I hope I explain things decently, and by the end of this video you should see, in my opinion, the top 5 easy ways, again, to make money with crypto. So let's run 10 seconds of Tails. She's our resident Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, and well, it's just a tradition here, the VoskCoin YouTube channel. No need to delay, let's jump right into it. Learning and earning with Coinbase, Earn, and there's a couple other options we're going to talk about here. But what this is you sign up, like for example, you can sign up to Coinbase.com. We've got a link out in the video description. If you use our link, you get 10 bucks for signing up with it when you buy or sell 100 bucks in crypto. But that's not what I'm here to tell you about. I'm here to tell you about the fact that they offer incentives to learn about different cryptocurrencies, and they pay you in that coin on their exchange. You may be like, oh, $6? Oh, $6. Well, how about $60? Or how about $46? And these are just the current campaigns. I understand, 100 bucks in crypto isn't exactly life-changing money, but if that's not interesting to you, maybe you already have too much money. When I see things like this, I view them as great opportunities whenever I have a little bit of downtime to learn about more cryptocurrencies and get paid while I do it. It's pretty easy stuff. For example, you can earn interest with compound, and it's going to tell you about that, and you can see exactly how that works. It looks like it won't let me take the quiz again after the fact, but they're pretty straightforward. You watch like a 2-minute video and you just answer the quiz associated with it. I've got links out in the video description below to invite you guys to join some of these campaigns. Some of them are invite only, or you just kind of get in randomly, or I don't really know the way Coinbase does it. I do know that you do need to be invited to some of them, and sometimes they just give people invites. We give you access when you otherwise wouldn't have it, and we get 10 bucks in exchange for inviting you. So hey, we both win. You get 60, I get 10. It's not a bad deal. There are now other platforms straight up copy and pasting learn and earn, which I doubt I'm the first one to ever say that, but earning and learning and earning, I mean, that's got a freaking ring to it. Okay, so I want to say I thought of that on my own, but I'm sure someone else already did too. That's what sucks about being born in like 2020, right? It's not that I was born in 2020, but you know what I mean. It's like so many things have already been done. Anyway, the point of the video, right? You can earn Helium, HNT, on coinmarketcap.com. This is the biggest like market cap ranking site in cryptocurrency ever. It's been recently bought out by Binance, and things have changed significantly since then. So let's say I want to learn what is Helium. I can go ahead and watch this. Wait, this seems really familiar. I could watch this video. They're going to tell me this stuff. Internet. What if I was a foreign lady? Okay, if I had a foreign accent and I spoke English, would you like that better? Well, I don't have that, so I'm sorry. Alright, well there's 13 friggin' steps, and that's boring, so links out in the video description below. Number 2, earning interest in staking crypto coins. Alright, so let's look at a normal USD, okay, dollar, non-crypto banking account. The best ones right now, you're lucky to see about 0.5% in interest. Not even 1% on your money. Okay, don't worry. They loan it out for much more than that, and many other things. But hey, here's 0.5% if you're smart enough to join the best banks as far as savings rates go in the country, right? Well, I know we've talked about crypto.com before again, but we're going to talk about it real quickly in regards to interest. So it was previously $50 sign up bonus for free. Preach that to you guys big time. It's been reduced to $25 as of today, actually, but they still have great interest rates in their app. So here's an example. I've got $1,500 in USDC earning 12% interest. I am earning 11.5% more interest than your money in a bank account if it's in one of the best banks. If it's not, you may be earning like 0.006 interest. It's ridiculous. It should be a crime. Just say you don't earn interest. Why do you give me this really weird tiny number? Okay, so this is an excellent way to earn money in cryptocurrency and just put your money to use. There's a lot of different ways to earn interest in stake coins in cryptocurrency. This is a beginner video, so I'm going to keep it brief. This is the best, easy to use, simple, download it, hook it up, make it happen app in cryptocurrency. This really sets us up for number 3, stable growth coins. What is a stable cryptocurrency growth coin, stable growth coin, right? So GSX is offering the asset backing, which is currently 3.2 billion of a USD of a stable coin. The growth of a cryptocurrency and the dividends of an investment coin, combining all of the best elements in cryptocurrency into one secured coin. So it's a relatively stable coin because it's backed by what they have as by mineral rich land and these gold mines and precious metal mines. So like there's assets behind this coin. It's not just like, oh, we're putting US dollars and here's this coin's now worth $1. We have a big bank of them. Trust us. It's not like that. They have assets. They have real mines like this. And we're really excited to start earning money with this coin. And here is the projected asset valuation.
The first-year minimum asset goal is $7 billion, making the individual asset value 23 cents to the US dollar per GSX.
Keep in mind that with their $3.2 billion of assets they already have, they're putting the current price per coin at 10 cents per coin. So within a year, per their projection, it's supposed to be at 26 cents a coin. And also you get a 63% buy-in bonus if you join their token sale. This bonus changes in about a day and it is going to be decreased. If you also use our link in the video description below, you get an additional 5% bonus. You can't argue with bonuses. Honestly, these guys are doing some pretty cool stuff because they recently moved their asset backing up to 3.2 billion. They set up an alluvial mining operation. That's what I showed you in that B-roll. And then they have launched their sale, and then they will have their first gold milling operation operational 1 month after the sale. From there, they will have the minimum asset backing goal of 7 billion, which would bring the asset value to 23 cents per coin. Okay, that's 3 months after the sale, so that would be right here in the beginning of 2021. They also are looking to get a copper mining operation online. They have already purchased that copper mining location, as far as I understand. They also have an application in progress with Binance. It's not guaranteed, but traditionally speaking, coins that get onto Binance, you at least have some decent liquidity to get in and out of these coins, and that helps you to realize gains or buy in after the fact. Honestly, I'm really excited for this coin because it's supposed to have stable growth as they buy in and they get more assets. That value that is backing this coin is supposed to go up, and you also get paid dividends on these coins. So you're not just hoping that these coins go up in value, you are also getting paid dividends for having these. They also plan to have these coins redeemable for real gold, which is pretty cool. So again, there's only 10 days left in their sale here and 1 day left for that bonus amount that I just told you. You can buy in with any cryptocurrencies you want if you want to, or you can link your bank account and do USD. I think you can even do a credit card. But for example, if you wanted 1,000 GSX coins, it would cost you $100. With the current 63% sale bonus, you would net $1,630, which would have a valuation of $163 if that asset price holds, which it's supposed to. So we're really excited about that one. But let's talk about number 4, which is a tried and true method, mining. Okay, cryptocurrency mining, GPU mining, ASIC mining, Bitcoin mining. We've done it all. We're going to continue to do it all. This is a way to make easy money. Okay, but it's not the cheapest way, right? Okay, so you will spend $1,000 to earn a couple bucks. That's the current mining market. And you're like, dude, that sounds terrible. It's more of a long-term play, okay? I'm not here to mislead you guys at all. So here's an example. Here's a GPU mining rig. It's mining Ethereum at 250 mega hash a second, depending on what the pool measures it at daily. So you can see that right now it's earning 0.017 Ethereum, right? And let's go ETH to USD. And let's put in that value, 0.17, and it's mining about $6.60 a day after paying the electric bill, maybe making $3.50. If you wanted to set up a comparable mining rig like this, depending on hunting down deals, buying new and used, this would cost you somewhere between like $1,000 and $2,500. The actual ROI, return on your investment on this compared to traditional investments, is actually very good, but this isn't investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just to be clear, I'm just doing this for fun because I love cryptocurrency, and mining is such an incredible way to participate with the blockchain, with cryptocurrencies, and to get these cryptos without going on exchanges and buying them. You cut out the middleman, you cut out the BS percent fees, you buy some tangible hardware, you set it up in your home or wherever you want to, you hook it up, click, click, and you're off to the races. You can download things like the NiceHash miner, and it's honestly like one-click setup and you're mining. Cut out the middleman, aka NiceHash, and just mine directly to pools and mine cryptocurrencies specifically. You kind of get to like maybe intermediate level right there. You're gonna earn a little bit more. So I love mining. I could talk about it all day, and I will just leave you guys with that part for mining. We have tons of videos on mining here on the channel. I invite you to check them out if this is getting interesting to you. And that brings us to number 5. And this is an important one. It's something we don't talk about enough here on the channel. Number 5 is dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So here's an article from earlier this year. It's just a good headline. Investors dollar cost averaging Bitcoin since 2017 made a 62% return. Okay? And what is dollar cost averaging? Well, first, where do you do it? There's a lot of options. I really like Gemini as a cryptocurrency exchange because they have free wire transfers, which is a really cool feature that most exchanges charge you for. And if you use our code, like always, you get $10, but hey, you get $10, we get $10, supports the channel, and they do support New York residents, which is rare. So that's cool to see. But that wasn't sponsored out. I honestly just like Gemini. So the point here is that if you bought in $15 a week, okay, so that's, you go to Chipotle or wherever place you want to eat at, and you get a burrito, you get a drink, which are really overpriced, and let's say you even throw guac on there, delicious, but again overpriced, $15. Easy. If you have been doing that every week for the last 3 years, so that's 52 weeks a year times 3, you would have invested $2,355. As of today, you would have a total value of $3,527. You would be up 50% on your money. Okay? And you want to put that into a figure that maybe is a little bit more impressive? If you put in $1,500 a week, that's a lot of money. You would have put in almost $250,000, $235K, and you would have $352,000. Okay, I mean, I don't really have $1,500 a week money. You know, we could push it at 150, right? So basically, you're putting 25 grand in, and you're getting 35 grand. That's impressive. Okay. You can set this up on different apps and exchanges. Reoccurring buys is what it's called. Happens like clockwork. You won't even think about it. Just think about that. You turn 23.5K into 35.2K. That is something to be proud of. Something you didn't even have to think about. Something that happened automatically. An easy way to make money with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is to simply dollar cost average and buy in. Let's look at this real quickly with no example or with no DCA, dollar cost average, and then with DCA. Okay, so January 1st, 2018, John decides to buy 5,000 worth of Bitcoin today. It's 13.8 per coin, which means he now owns 0.362 Bitcoin. It's January 1st, 2018. Alice decides she wants to purchase $5,000 worth of Bitcoin. However, instead of investing any time out today, she decides to purchase 500 every month for 10 months. 10 months later, Alice owns 0.61 Bitcoin. That's almost twice as much as John, even though they both invested the same USD amount. Well, that's crazy. How did that happen? It's because she bought every month like clockwork, and she ended up getting better buy-in prices, and John kind of bought the top. Alice, she bought the top and the bottom and everywhere in between, giving her a better average dollar cost per coin. or per Satoshi here, because they only have a fraction of Bitcoin. So dollar cost averaging is super cool, and it's just the easiest way to like not even think about crypto and Bitcoin and just buy in and get yourself some coins and join the freaking party and financial revolution. As always, hope you guys enjoyed today's video on the top 5 easy ways to make money with cryptocurrency. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment below, and let me know your suggestion on an easy way to make money in cryptocurrency. We're not financial advisors, and neither are you. So as always, I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video.